Good morning. Today I would like to explain Python programming. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries, and there are two types of Python programming we can see. One is basic level Python programming, a core Python programming that is called, and another one is advanced Python programming. Okay. So Python is an object-oriented programming language because it can solve any real-time applications and real-time environment problems it can solve. By using Python programming, the features like variables, data types, basic mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects. So these are the features of Python programming, and by using Python collections we are solving various applications like by using arrays, sets, tuples, lists, dictionaries, loops, and file operations and exceptions. So this is about Python collections. Up to this one we can call it as a core Python programming, and we are going for advanced Python programming like standard libraries like NumPy. NumPy means numerical Python, SciPy for scientific Python, Pandas is a library or a collection, or you can call it as API, application programming interface. Pandas can solve the data structures, data set description. Scikit-learn is a library. It is for solving of machine learning applications. Matplotlib, it is a library. In order to generate visualization graphs, we are using Matplotlib. Natural language toolkit to solve different languages of human different languages like conversion from Hindi to English, English to Hindi, and so on. We are using NLTK library. Then followed by the TensorFlow is a very big library in order to solve artificial intelligence problems and big data analytics. We are using this library. Library means everything available in that package. All built-in functions are available in that package. Directly you can use. Then Keras is a library in order to solve machine and deep learning applications. PyTorch is developed by Facebook company. It is an open source tool. Python itself is an open source tool, software. Open source means everywhere you can download that software, and also you can add your own patch to the existing software. So PyTorch is a library in order to solve machine learning applications. Then how to write code in Google Colab, I am going to train you. Jupyter Notebook, how to use IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment. PyCharm is one more IDLE, and scripting way. Scripting way means we are writing our own code in order to execute in our own applications. To clear in the console, we are using import OS. OS means operating system. os.system of CLS for Windows. For Control L for Linux and Mac OS. This is a syllabus. Just now I have explained syllabus. Then we are moving to the overview of Python, data import and manipulation, data visualization, statistical analysis, advanced topics and case studies. So introduction to Python. Who developed Python programming? Guido van Rossum. He is from Netherlands. In the year 1980s. It is a successor of ABC programming, and Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment, and another one is scripting way. We are writing our own code with our own style. Python data types are integer, string, float, double, etc. Python collections are data structures like arrays, lists, sets, tuples, dictionaries, etc. Python supports mathematical operations or addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. Then Python has single line comments like hash. Multi-line comments are triple quotes followed by the triple quotes. Python supports loop statements or for, while, etc. Python is a case sensitive programming language because capital A value, ASCII value is different than small a value. Python is a popular language because it is having a rich number of libraries or packages or APIs, application programming interface. Python latest version is 13.3.13.2. Then Python keywords are not used as identifier or variable name. Python must start with a letter or an underscore. Python must contain only letters, digits or underscores. So Python data types are two types. One is mutable data types and another one is immutable data types. Mutable means changeable. Examples are list, set, dictionary, byte array. Immutable, not changeable. Examples are integer, float, byte, string, tuples, frozen set, etc. Python as a various and powerful language widely used in various fields such as data science, web development and automation, etc. Pandas, which is commonly used for data manipulation and analysis, and Matplotlib, a popular plotting library for creating visualizations. An overview of Python includes its versatile capabilities along with popular libraries such as Pandas for data manipulation and Matplotlib for data visualization. So variables, Python variables are used to store data values and do not require explicit declaration. So data types, Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, string, list, tuples and dictionaries. Basic mathematical operations, it can support like arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, etc. Operator precedence, Python follows PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, rules for evaluating expressions. Then what is meant by string operation? String is a collection of characters. Python allows string manipulation using functions like dot upper, dot lower, functions, dot replace and slicing, and there are many conversions, string length, string comparison, string reverse, string concatenation, like that. Functions like Python functions are defined using the def keyword and can have parameters and return values. Conditional statements, Python supports decision making using if, elif and else statements. What is meant by class and what is meant by objects? Python is an object-oriented language allowing the creation of reusable classes and objects. So Python collections like arrays. Arrays in Python are used to store multiple values in a single variable implemented using the array module or NumPy. Set is a set in a Python in an unordered collection of unique elements defined using flower brace or the set function. Tuples are immutable sequences, meaning their values cannot be changed after assignment, defined using function. A list is a mutable order sequence of elements in Python defined using square brackets. Dictionaries, I will show you practicals. Dictionaries is an unordered collection of key value pairs defined using parentheses with key value pairs separated by colons. So there are control flow statements like loop statements. It provides for while loops to iterate over sequence or execute a block of code multiple times. So file is a collection of interrelated data. It allows reading and writing files using built-in functions like open, read and write. Exceptions: Python uses try except blocks to handle errors and prevent program crashes. So standard libraries like NumPy for numerical computing, support for multiple dimensional arrays and mathematical functions. SciPy is a scientific Python, provides additional scientific computing tools such as optimization, signal processing, and linear algebra. Pandas is used for data manipulation and analysis, providing structures like data frames and the series. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library that includes classification, regression, clustering, and model evaluation tools. Then we have Matplotlib for visualization library for creating plots, histograms, bar charts, and other charts. NLTK is nothing but a natural language toolkit, provides tools for processing and analyzing human language data. TensorFlow is an open source deep learning framework developed by Google for training neural networks. Keras is a high level neural networks API application programming interface running on top of TensorFlow designed for fast experimentation. PyTorch is a you can call it as a deep learning and a machine learning framework widely used in artificial intelligence research and applications. How to write code in Python? By using Google Colab, I'll show you. It is a cloud-based Jupyter Notebook environment that allows users to run Python code without local setup. Jupyter Notebook Jupyter Notebook provides an interactive coding environment for data science and visualization tasks. Then PyCharm is a popular integrated development environment for Python development, offering debugging and automation tools. Ideally, Python supports two types of one is IDLE that provides lightweight interface for writing and executing Python scripts. Then scripting way means Python scripts can be written in .py files and executed from the command line using Python filename.py. Clearing the console in Windows, the console can be cleared using import os followed by os.system of cls. For Linux and Mac OS, the console can be cleared using the keyboard shortcut Control L. Okay, so now I am going to install Python programming software. Okay, now see here. This is a just a theory.
Okay, Anna.
It is a theory. Now just go to Google. Parallelly, you can. Otherwise, first see check my.
Uh,
No problem.
అన్న నేను ఆల్రెడీ పైథాన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్నా ఐడియల్లీ.
Very good. No, it takes only 1 minute. I am going to show you. Don't worry.
ఓకే.
So just Google like this. You can type. You can do your own. That's why I am teaching. Python software. You can type like this. Python software. Go to Python. Welcome to python.org. Go to downloads. Now I am downloading. So this is the software. In the download folder I am keeping save. So once completed saving, I am going here, I am checking here. Okay, so I am double clicking this one. See, now already upgrade. Now I am upgrading. So I am upgrading my Python version. Very simple. It takes 1 minute for initialization. It takes setup in progress. Hardly it takes 1 minute only. Now see, everything already we have installed successfully, and yeah, Python 3.13.3, that is latest file. So now Python software is updating. So, meanwhile, Python is a object-oriented programming language because it solves all the real-time problems. Python is a scripting programming language because we can write our own script and we are executing our own applications. Python is a case-sensitive programming language because it can there is a difference between capital A value and a small a value in the keyboard. That's why it is a case sensitive programming language. And Python is developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1980s. He is a great fanatic of watching TV serial called Circus Game. In the Circus Game, there is a Python type of snake. Every week it uses in the TV. So that Guido van Rossum got an idea. Why don't I can think of the drawbacks of in C, C++, so that I can execute my own Python programming. That's why he has given the name Python. Now setup was successful. Now I am going to command prompt. See here. My screen is visible.
Yes, Anna.
See, now you need to clear the screen. So CMD you need to type, after that CLS means clear the screen. Now you can type Python. So this is the way we are. See, what is the version we have installed, Priya? Can you read my screen?
3.13.3.
13.3. Very good. Now simple program I am writing here. See now. Hash is a single line comment. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers using static input. Using static input. So this is a comment section. Okay. So
Okay.
I am taking A is the input value, A equal to 2 and B is equal to 3 and C is equal to A plus B. Now see, now print C. You can write C, it will print 5. Otherwise print parenthesis begin C parenthesis C. See 5. So like this we are printing the first program is completed. Write a
Okay.
Python program to perform addition of two numbers using static input. So same program I am going to execute in a scripting way. How do I can execute scripting way? You can see. Okay. One second, Amma.
Anna.
గిరీష్ సార్ నేను ట్రైనింగ్లో ఉన్నా ఒక 10 minutes తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తా. వచ్చాను, ఇప్పుడే వచ్చాను, చెప్తా. ఓకే సార్, ఓకే. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఐడిఎల్ఈ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్, ప్రియా.
Okay, Anna.
What I have done right now, can you read my aim of the program?
Write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers using static input.
Very good. What we have done, a is the input variable, a is equal to 2, we have assigned. B is the input variable, we have assigned 3. C is equal to a plus b. And then C. So we are checking C is the output variable 5. Print C 5. Okay.
Okay,
So this is called ideally. Same program I am executing in a scripting way. So we need to clear the screen. How to clear the screen? First we need to move to scripting way like this. Quit. Parenthesis begin, parenthesis close.
okay,
So now here notepad space I am creating a file. Suppose Priya 1. I am giving file name is a Priya 1 dot py. My file name is a Priya 1 dot py. See, now I am creating a one file. Already some files are there. I don't know. Okay, I am removing this one. Okay, now I am writing comment section. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers. Same program, Priya. Two
okay,
numbers
Anna.
using static input. Static input. So what I am doing? A is equal to 2, B same program. B is equal to 3, C is equal to A plus B, then print, parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, addition. This is scripting where I can write my own style. That's why I'm writing. Okay?
Okay, okay,
C value. Now print C. Now see, saving control S. I'm saving the program. Now I'm running the program. See, Python space Priya 1 dot py. Now see, addition equal to 5.
okay.
My screen is visible.
Yes, Anna.
Okay, now you have to do in front of me without seeing my screen. You can share your screen. Okay, Priya.
Okay, Anna.
You have to do in front of me same program. I want to check whether you are able to do or not. Okay.
Okay, Anna.
Okay.